This is like a adventure, off-road, rugged, all-terrain EV9. This thing is pretty cool. It's got the roof tent up there, the weekender. Just take a look at it. It's like a all-terrain living van type of thing. Almost kind of reminds me of like some sort of like space moon rover thing, like science fiction kind of stuff, right? This is just really, really cool, and it shows that Kia has fun, right? They're trying to make things that are cool, interesting, enthusiast focused, not just simply making the most efficient, affordable little hatchbacks nonstop, right? They're making everything in their segment a little bit